Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make public profile on Snapchat. So you're gonna go to your profile, go to settings, and first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to contact me and allow friends and contacts contact you. Then view my story. You can first allow everyone to see your story. You want to make a public profile. From there you're gonna go to see me on Quick Add and allow to show you on Quick Add so other persons like contacts, friends of contacts, friends of your friends, and contacts of your contacts can see you in Quick Add and more people could see your profile. You can also add activity indicators so they will know when you are online or not. You can also see my location. Like you're gonna turn off ghost mode so people can see your location, and also allow people to see your personal memories. They will be able to see your memories, but don't add some of your important pictures or snaps that you want other people to see in the my eyes only, because else they will not be able to see your snaps. I think that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel. You can also make contact sensing, and it will allow for your contacts see you and you to see your contacts. So more people and public profile, it's very good for it. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I'll see you next one.